Hey folks, welcome back to another weekly market bite. Hope you all are having a great weekend. Today we are going to discuss what can we expect in the upcoming week from the markets. What were the major developments that let the markets down midweek, and what is it that Trump truly wants out of all of this. So let's begin. As you all can see, the India VIX started giving a spike midweek, and also gold and silver were flat, but oil, however, had a good up move last week. So, as Indian markets have already discounted most of the part of the war, and we don't have any significant downside from here, we still might see a retracement around 23,400 to 23,700. And if the market turns volatile, we can see another low of 22,000 to 21,800. Currently, the market is trying to discount the supply chain of oil that is getting disrupted due to the Strait of Hormuz blockade by Trump. After 50 days of war, finally Trump seems to have a upper hand in the Iran-US conflict. Iran is losing on two sides in this situation, where on one side it is not able to get supplies for its day-to-day living, and on the second hand it is not able to sell its oil to the world due to the sanctions put on by Trump. Also, the Trump has announced a complete ceasefire and a complete blockade of the Strait of Hormuz if there is no deal. So, in this scenario, Trump is not currently losing anything, but Iran has nothing to gain from it. Both are in severe pain, and the only solution to this is going to be the complete normalcy of the Strait of Hormuz. So, what is it that we can expect for the Indian markets for the upcoming weeks? If the market stable and there is a good news, hopefully everything turns back normal. The markets might continue its trend from 23,700 to 400, and we have everything going good. In that case, we have some really good businesses at discount. For example, a business like Bharti Airtel, as you all can see, it is currently down more than 20% from the peak, and it has nothing to do from the war at all. This is a really cash-rich business and also a defensive business, which is a consistent compounder for its investor for the past 5 years. See, from the COVID bottom, from a level of 350 to a high of 20.2200, it has been a 6x and also a stable compounder. So, however, now the market is completely trying to figure out whether the oil supply shock that has developed due to the latest development in the war is going to sustain or not. If the oil shock is going to sustain, the markets might find its new low, and we might need to bear this pain for a couple of months. Whereas on the other side, if the market start to get better, we can see the continuation of the trend, and hopefully after almost 2 years of long wait and consolidation, we can see some greens in the portfolio. So as of now, the market is completely news driven. So stay cautious and try to accumulate good businesses at discounts. One of them could be Bharti Airtel, LIC, Even REC, this is a defensive play and also a good stock for the long term. I'll try to make a detailed analysis on certain businesses if possible, give you a detailed report from all the resources that I study from. Till then, stay safe. Bye.